Hi there, Matt. It's Marcy Hutton here, recording your video for you that I spoke with you about earlier. And what I'm going to show you are 3 things that you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now you're probably asking yourself, why is she doing this and what's in it for her? And the answer to that is I do this because when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have when it comes to hiring somebody is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you like anything that you've heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, then we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. The 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, backlinks, and citations. I'm going to try to keep this brief. Everybody's busy. But when I talk about content, these 3 things are the things that pack the most punch. They've got the most power in pushing you up to be more visible online and get more traffic to your website. So when I say content, I mean everything that I've got highlighted there. The words, the pictures. I'm going to take a look at this image here. Picture 5 is what that picture says. See, Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on a homepage, and they don't see anything, the bots that go and do that, crawl the web, but they read everything. So this picture could be named kitchen renovation, bathroom renovation, any number of the services that you offer, and matching what people would be typing here. So before I forget to, up here I can see that your site isn't secure, so you'd want to get that secure as far as placing in the search engine search. They are giving preference to sites that are secure now over non-secure sites. So you'd want to look after that. So you can see you have an awesome opportunity here to add content to your homepage. Back to Google, when they come across a new site, they're going to go in there, they're going to crawl the entire thing, and the reason they do this is they want to know what you do, all of the services that you offer, and what location are you offering them. Again, matching up the searches when people type into the search browser. See, they make money from people being on their search engine, so they don't want them to leave. And that's why they will, if they come across 2 sites, one's got 100 words, the other one's got 1,500, they will see the one with 1,500 as being the expert in the market, and therefore kind of rewarding them for that and putting them up higher. So there you go. That's the first thing that would help you out to make you more visible that you can do. And then the next thing is corresponding with the maps there, the section that I had pulled up. Citations. Now, what a citation is it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. So 411, Yellow Pages, a Yelp listing, this map listing is a citation. Anywhere where you can list your business and like many directories. So the more places that you have your business listed throughout the web, Google sees that when they crawl the web, and it shows them that you are in fact a legit business. They see you all over the place. And how it helps you here, it's just like the content where you go get more content and better content than all of your competitors in throughout your website is going to pay off. Here, if you have more citations, your business is cited in more locations across the internet than them, is going to push you up in this section. Obviously with the goal to be one of these top 3, because these guys here are absolutely getting the lion's share of the clicks that go to the first page of the search. Now what's going to help you to get down in this section down here, we call this the organic section below the maps. This is where your backlinks tie in. Backlinks and content, but predominantly the weight of the backlinks. First of all, what a backlink is, it is a link from a third-party site on the internet linking back to your website. To explain this in the simplest terms, if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, so when another site on the internet links to yours, votes for you, that in turn is going to push you up the search engines. Google sees you as the popular one. Other sites on the internet are paying attention to you. So I've taken your site and I've grabbed this, just grabbed the second one. Decided not to go for the first, let's go for the second and look at his metrics. And I put him into the same tool as I put yours into. Now I'm not seeing, what it's showing is that like there is no data. So from what we can gather is that there aren't any backlinks. And with that lack of content, you can see that they're not able to really find you for anything. Now I'm going to compare that to this guy here. It shows us that he has 25 other websites on the internet linking to his, giving him 61 backlinks. Now his metrics really are not all that high at all here. His being found for 16 keywords, so of course he probably doesn't have a whole pile of content either. And there's about 15 people clicking on his site. So just for interest's sake, so we can kind of see, let's take a look at what this guy's got going for backlinks. Copy. So he has 104 referring domains, 104 websites on the internet linking to his, giving him 777 backlinks at the moment. They do drop, so that's why it's sort of an ongoing thing. Being found for 600 words, and he's getting just under 200 traffic to his site a month. So you know that kind of shows. Now everything's beatable. This is not astronomical by any means to be able to beat. And it didn't mention that not all links are created equal. Some are far more powerful than others. You want to be getting links that come from reputable sites. And Google trusts them, they're relevant to what it is that you do, so you know you've got that in common, is when you're choosing to get links from other websites on the internet. So I am going to leave it there today, Matt, and I hope that's been helpful to you. I'll email this off and follow up, make sure that you did in fact receive it and had a chance to watch it, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. Talk to you soon.